Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about bearings, those small mechanical components that are essential to the industry. What is a bearing? It's an element that allows the rotation of a shaft in relation to a fixed support while minimizing friction. Bearings consist of an outer ring, an inner ring, rolling elements, balls or rollers, and a cage that keeps these elements in place. They can be found in many applications, such as electric motors, gearboxes, vehicle wheels, and many others. Their role is crucial in ensuring the proper functioning and longevity of machines. There are different types of bearings adapted to each specific need. The most common are ball bearings, but there are also cylindrical, tapered, or spherical roller bearings. In the next videos, we will take a closer look at these different types of bearings, their assembly, lubrication, and the causes of failure to avoid. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to